By far, bicycling is the best way to travel around a country. Before this trip, I didn't really take into account that Quảng Trị has so much to offer. Quảng Trị is a place where the spirit of adventure is met by magnificent natural splendor. I explored its dramatic mountains and its verdant forests. I followed its wild rivers carving their way through the landscape. I could visit awe-inspiring waterfalls that cascade with raw power, revealing the province's wild heart.
So here we have a raging waterfall and a beautiful pool of water to discover. Let's go!
I think to be able to go more slowly on a bicycle, you get a chance to hear everything, and smell everything, and see all those small details in a way that you just wouldn't get in a bus, let alone maybe even on a motorcycle. Welcome to Vietnam Discovery! This time we're going to get around my bicycle as we go and explore this beautiful area, the mountains and the valleys of Quảng Trị Province. The Ho Chi Minh Trail stretches across Vietnam, and it is so much to pedal up and down. To get a chance to see all the different cultures out here and the huge public works, such as this beautiful suspension bridge right here over the Ta Puong River. One big advantage of doing the Ho Chi Minh Trail on a bicycle is it gives you a lot of versatility. I just brought my bike down here to the Ta Puong River itself. Isn't it majestic? And it's really wide down here as well. I just love getting a chance to walk up and down this and swim in this beautiful water and just get a feel for what is life like in this beautiful green valley. I just love these wide green valleys here like this. A great place to sit down and relax. Whew. Oh, that feels so good on a hot day like this, especially after a bunch of hours on the bike. Oh, really wakes you up. What a great place to sit back and relax and just take in these green rolling hills. These mountains are steep, and there's plenty of them. So I would say for bicycling, if you're a person who is in really good shape, who's ready for adventure, and who can handle decent distance, per day, this is some of the best bicycling trails I've ever found in Vietnam. And so my personal preference, I would say grab a bike. You'll be fine. There's plenty of places to stop along the way, people to meet along the way. Muy bar bai yo. Oh. Rất vui vì mình đang đạp xe bây giờ phượt Việt Nam. Yeah, và muốn đi bằng đường Ho Chi Minh. Yeah, ở đây, the Ta Puong. Đẹp. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Nước mát.
Yeah, nghe đó. The Bru Van Kieu people are the main ethnic group living around the Ta Puong River. They're all incredibly friendly, and every day I get invited for some food and drinks. My biggest treat is learning some of the Bru language. Yeah, mọi nói, yeah, sa ơn. Yeah. Sa ơn, nhiều lắm, sa ơn. All right, yeah, chúng tôi cần đi bây giờ và chúc vui vẻ hôm nay. I love the nature and beauty of the whole Quảng Trị province. Heading northwest along the Ho Chi Minh Trail, I arrive in the Huong Hoa district, which is the western mountain section on the border of Laos, known for its pristine forests and mountains, and many waterfalls, caves, lakes, and streams to go take a dip into. Between the stunning landscapes and a cool, fresh climate, Huong Hoa is an ideal destination for travelers who love exploration and nature.
standing out here in the water like this. Being able to swim in a waterfall pool, what a beautiful experience.
Oh, I loved every moment of it. Nestled out here among towering trees and vibrant wildflowers, a peaceful kilometer-long trail paves the way to the Ta Puong waterfall. This gentle introduction to adventure is serenaded by birdsong, all while the sound of rushing water gradually crescendos with each step, all leading up to the exhilarating plunge into those cool, refreshing falls. Oh, the water feels so nice out here. But yeah, I'm on the path now to go up and see this waterfall. I've never seen it before, but people say it's absolutely worth checking out. So I got to see for myself. Finally here at the Ta Puong waterfall. The pictures truly don't do it justice. It is more spectacular than I could have ever imagined. Hidden deep in the Huang Hua Mountains, the Ta Puong waterfall is a peaceful escape. Surrounded by lush forests and fresh mountain air, it's like a fairy tale, nature documentary, and action film all in one. Before reaching the falls, I met up with Yori, the site manager. He welcomed me with the local hospitality, including some traditional dishes. I always love to learn a few words in the local ethnic languages whenever I travel. Tất cả món ăn này nhìn ngon lắm. Yeah, đây là gà bằng tiếng Bru. Đây là xài chuối. Xài chuối. Ah, okay. Yeah, but sói là gì?
Dạ, chỗ này là đôi.
Đôi
điệp.
Ah, đôi điệp.
Dạ,
đôi điệp.
Dạ.
Okay. Xài chuối và đôi điệp.
Dạ đúng rồi.
Ah, right. Và ngoài đó là cà chuối. Tiếng
Chia.
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 Yeah.
I gotta say, I think I found one of my new favorites out here. In English, we might call this banana flower, but the locals, they actually call it pong. It is such an amazing new dish because it's got a lot of its own earthy flavor. But of course, when you add it with this dipping sauce, that's when the real magic pops. But the one thing I'm excited about is getting a chance to check out all the jungles and be able to see this darn waterfall from every single angle. I'm really looking forward to this entire day. They also have some adventures. I got a chance to rappel down the waterfall itself, which was a really exciting and visceral experience. And I really think more folks should try that. If you love waterfalls, this way you get a chance to really be in it and experience it, all the noise, and you can feel the raw power of the water falling upon you. And I think that feeling is something that I've never really had anywhere else. Takes a lot to get everything all prepared, but now I'm definitely ready for some of this jungle trekking and get ready to do a lot of this rock climbing. I can't wait to see what the jungle holds for us. Top of the world! I just love this feeling of being on top of a waterfall here like this. Get a magnificent view of the whole pool below us. Isn't that something? So good!
Đi lùi đi. No. Đâu? Nước. Và một tay anh cấp gửi đây là nhé này. Đâu không. Thế phải luôn như thế này. Tay trái anh bò về này. Đi lui. Đi lui không?
Để đi lui làm gì hả?
Dạ. Đi sai trước tỉnh đấy này. Phải không cứ rồi. Anh lấy chỉ lên lòng lên. Anh nhìn chân trong mắt đi. Nhìn hỏi là xem này.
Ok, là 2 chân cái
Nhìn luôn đây này còn chị này.
Ok. Đây là 2 chân. Ok, yeah, bước. Yeah.
Bước ngắn thôi, xong rồi. Yeah.
Alright. Bây giờ thư thiên hơn. Yeah. Oh, còn nghĩ mà quá vui, muốn lên làm thải. Yeah, và
Một cái thôi.
Yeah, nghĩ đó. Yeah, mấy thứ là giải vì rất chạm thôi. Chỉ là cái chạm mình thành keo.
Để mình chạy nhẹ thôi. Tâm nhẹ thôi.
Nhẹ thôi.
Rồi, tâm nhẹ lên đấy.
Ok.
Cột nhẹ rồi đấy.
Ok.
Oh, I gotta say, rock climbing and rappelling has become one of my new favorite sports. Oh, I'm so glad I got a chance to do that again. Oh. I gotta say that rock climbing and rappelling here like this is becoming one of my new favorite sports. Oh, so much fun. It's loud, it's active. It gets a little fear in your heart, you know, and you think about nothing else. As you're just kind of falling down, letting the water, fall upon your body and upon your face. Oh, it's just pure excitement, every step of the way. And we got a chance to be here on a really beautiful day. Really clear and warm water. Oh, what's not to love?
The Rao Quan Reservoir is fabulously scenic. This expansive lake is over 860 hectares. It feeds into the mighty Ta Puong River. A very unique sweet gum tree forest awaits us out on the islands of the reservoir, accessible only by boat. This departure point is a popular spot for visitors in Khe Sanh and Huang Hoa. It's easy to see why. Now right here is a very special tree. They call it the lonely tree, Kodun. And despite a few cuts here in the trunk itself, indicating the water level, this tree continues to survive. But of course, this is a really special area that I'm really looking forward to checking out. And of course, my buddy Simon is right on his way in a boat. So I get a chance to get on this beautiful water and really see it for myself. Simon is from the Bru Van Kieu ethnic group. I can tell he's so delighted to guide me through his homeland. He proudly brought me through the lush jungles, offering me a glimpse into the serene heart of Huang Hoa's lovely landscape.
Rất vui được gặp anh.
Yeah. All right, shut shack.
Yeah.
Nailed it.
I think here is very good, no? The wind is very nice. It's not too much hot, right? Now I go to swim. I want to go to swim now.
Ting Bru,
Đi là ba. Bờ, ok.
Dạ.
Và bơi là kỳ.
Bơi là lội.
Lội.
Dạ. Thuyền là tiếng Bru là tuộc.
Chính xác. Alright. Yeah, mình rất thích tiếng Bru. Yeah. Thú vị lắm.
Anh sẽ học nhiều thứ.
Oh, yeah.
These days, this area has become quite the magnet for ecotourism, with visitors drawn into its wealth of outdoor activities. As we move further into the wilderness, each step felt like a rediscovery of nature's rhythm, led by someone whose roots run deep in this land.
Go now, sir.
All right.
So very nice, sir.
Well, I like being on these kind of
me too.
islands and also on these kind of more hidden
Yes, sir.
spots.
Wow.
Areas like this that have just kind of a unique
Yes,
look
sir.
to it.
The Formosan sweet gum tree has a few names in Vietnamese.
Yeah, only here is only
The Phong Huong tree,
Right.
the Bac Yao Huong tree, and my personal favorite, Xiao Xiao. It's easy to spot because of its uniquely shaped leaves that resemble half a star. Oh, and as the seasons change, from late November to mid-January, we get some proper fall colors. Though I didn't arrive quite during the peak of this seasonal spectacle, I still found myself immersed in the rich diversity of this forest.
I've never seen this type of a tree, for example, that kind of has this bending, kind of warping look to it. Yeah, so in English we would say climbing plants like this, but would you say like kai leo?
Yeah, we are dây leo.
That was pretty close.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, vì ăn chưa tắt.
Trekking deep into the forest is a joy, but also a bit tiring. We decided to stop and take a quick break.
And really easy to eat.
Yes, sir.
Well, you don't need forks, plates, chopsticks or anything like that. You just bring and go.
Sometimes we go to work, we just bring like that also.
All right.
Yeah, right, sir.
That
So
seems pretty
we-
simple.
Yes, it's a pool.
Getting a chance to discover the mountains, get out biking, and just enjoy the natural scenery. I believe that nature truly is 5 stars just on its own. I think all trees around the world are fascinating. And for the first time here in Vietnam, I found this color-changing tree, the Phong Len. Now, it's not the season now, but I look forward to coming back here this winter and actually seeing this majestic change and see the beautiful colors all for myself. When we're actually pedaling across the mountains themselves, I think the temperature was absolutely perfect. As we get up a little bit higher, it's not too hot, it's just right. So a lot of times we'll have that fog, or heavy clouds right away in the morning. And most of the time it clears up by mid-afternoon, so we get a chance to enjoy that sunshine and the beautiful greenness of this tropical country. So after talking with all the locals out here, everyone was quick to mention this spot right here being one of the most scenic and beautiful in the entire area. They also say it's a great place to go camping and perhaps check out the clouds and that early morning sunrise. So yeah, I wanted to bike out here myself and really get a chance to check it out. So let's see what it has to offer. man, I gotta say the clouds. Not only getting a chance to bike through the clouds themselves, but from the top of the mountain, we can look and watch as the clouds flow over the mountains themselves, you know, as they cascade down like rivers of clouds. It is something I just absolutely adore. Isn't it lovely? Getting a chance to actually see all of these wind turbines through the clouds. Now beyond that, every single place I like to go, I enjoy doing a little bit of camping. And I was lucky enough to have one of the local folks here invite me out for a camping adventure for the evening. And it'll be a great excuse to check everything out in the morning. So let's see what it's all about. And now that V's here, all right. Yeah, we can bring the tents up and get started. All right. All right. Yeah.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
very beautiful. Wow.
Oh, just lovely.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh.
Mặc trời là. Like I'm saying, every single moment, you know, the whole view of everything out here changes. Not only getting a chance to see the small villages down there, the large mountains, but of course the sunset here. I just love every minute of this whole area. 5 minutes ago, can't see anything, right?
Yeah, see anything. But now we can see very beautiful picture of the sunset. Wow.
Sure. Yeah, let's see what we got. Yeah, we're gonna have some pretty strong winds here tonight, so I think we gotta be extra careful. Set up. Yeah! Overall, I don't think this is too bad. I'm really glad that we got a chance to set up the tent right here because that'll give us an excellent view of the sunrise coming up here tomorrow. But also I think having this style of tent gives you a full panoramic view of the whole valley out here. I'm just delighted that V and his buddy prepared so much for our camping adventure. No camping is complete without a fire and a little meat. It's all coming along right now, and I really like these evening style, like campfire cookouts. And yeah, it's got this beautiful smell to it. You know, I've never done a huge rack of ribs like this on a campfire before, but I'll be darned, 10 minutes and we're good to go. But yeah, it looks absolutely delicious, and I look forward to trying it.
Wow.
All right.
See that fat.
Thịt heo bằng thiên Van Kieu là gì?
Xay alik.
Xay alik. Yeah, và thịt bò is
Xay trưa.
Chua.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, right, yeah. Yeah, the blackness.
Good flavor.
Yeah, tất cả thịt ở đây ở Việt Nam rất thui.
Và rất là ngon.
I gotta say that every single bite has a lot of flavor to it, and getting a chance to try out a lot of their spices that they have here really makes it all that much brighter and more beautiful and more delicious. But yeah, I love this whole idea of being able to do the campfire style, a little more rustic of a flavor, but I love every bite. Well, cảm ơn đến. Yeah. Chúng ta gặp lại sớm. Đem thịt với.
Now I'm
Of course, getting a chance to be in nature as much as possible would be an absolute good choice. I really think that camping would be a lovely way to spend a night.
Seems I don't know where to stop. I just drive the whole night through. Sigh relief, my quiet heart. Suddenly it's so brand new. Move with parting clouds. Move to pieces now. Now I'm home. Where these stars
Just a bold and delightful start to the morning. I really like this espresso style, especially when out camping here. And of course, to have a beautiful view like this just adds to that ambience. I think this is a perfect start to the day, and we've got a lot of adventure ahead of us. On the next show of Vietnam Discovery, get ready to dive deep into the fascinating world of coffee, from bean to brew.
Oh yeah, đặc biệt.
I'm also crashing a traditional festival of the Paco people and visiting some incredible music gatherings of the Bru Van Kieu cultures. I hope you'll join me in this unforgettable adventure.